My name is Tim Ralston, and I've been at INS for 15 years. I currently manage a sales team of 5 professionals as the sales director for Texas and Louisiana. In addition to my role as the sales director, I am the industry expert in cable connectivity and hardware, which is all the Layer 1 products at INS. When I came out of college with my engineering degree, I went to go work for a manufacturer's representative in the electrical industry, where I was the application engineer. I went and worked for a company that is now a vendor of ours, Belden Wire and Cable, and that's how I got to know INS. I called on Mike Finley one day unannounced, and we were sitting in his office, and Steve Worm came in and said, I need to do fiber optics, and we need somebody that can sell fiber optics in our organization. And I looked at Steve and Mike and said, well, hire me. And a week later, I presented them with a business plan. 6 months after that, I became the cable connectivity and hardware business development manager, and that's how it started. The INS mission to me personally means providing the most efficient, effective, and highest quality network for customers so that they can gather their data and information and make the best business decisions and the profitability and efficiencies for their companies. INS's approach to the marketplace is that we are the nervous system. In our industry, we have competitors that focus on the heart and the brain, and the computer's the brain, and the PLC is the heart, and we tie it all together with the nervous system so that the whole system works together holistically. The best feedback we've gotten from customers is that when they have another project, they call us back to do the second phase. I've been here 15 years and I still hear from customers that I called on in my very first week with the job. My advice to companies that want to upgrade or modernize their technology is to not think short-sighted and look long-term, which may cost more, but will benefit them in the long run. INS is preparing to support customers in the future by staying on top of the most cutting-edge technology so that we can arm them with the best solution to pull them into the next 10 years or next 20 years, the best we know how. We're here to help customers every single day with the smallest problems or their biggest technology challenges.